Hey, I'm Stefano and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. Today I show you my latest work for my friend. It's a bunch of miniatures from Corvus Belli. I don't know this brand, but I really love the quality of this miniature and I really enjoy paint this particular monster. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, inside this box there is a lot of miniature, and here the last one. Thank you so much to Crystal Wood for this color that are perfect for these works. Okay, 1 hour ago I just finished this miniature. It's a very beautiful. I love the green effect, this cloud on the base. This angel is a fantastic model, and this is a vial. I love these miniatures like a little demon. These boys they are very beautiful. I paint with a blood effect, and this with a candle in his hand is a very grim dark style. I apply some lava stones on the base and I apply some 3D skulls on the base. This miniature I paint with a rust effect, the same of this. Okay, this is a little showcase. I want to show you again this miniature. It's a very beautiful this monster. You see in the spine I apply some blood effect, and he take a little green bottle in his hand. I apply this chain in the right hand, like it was a prisoner. This angel is very beautiful. In the left wings, this blood effect is give a nice touch. I use a sun acrylate glue and apply a 1mm chains. Some miniatures are made with resin and plastic. Okay, thank you so much for watching this almost daily vlog, and see you soon for another showcase and other stuff in my channel. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.